Claude Sonet 4.6 Plus, Notebook LM is insane, and I'm going to prove it to you right now. Today, I'm going to show you a two-tool AI workflow that can build you a full landing page, a pitch deck, to whatever you want in minutes, not hours. Minutes, this is brand new, it's stupid easy, and by the end of this video, you're going to wonder why nobody told you about this sooner. Stick around because this one is going to change how you work forever. So here's the deal. There are two AI tools right now that most people are using separately. Claude Sonet 4.6 by Anthropic and Notebook LM by Google. On their own, they're great, but when you combine them together, that's when things get crazy. I'm talking about a full pipeline. Research to refinement to prompt engineering to a finished product, all done with AI. Let's start with Claude Sonet 4.6. This is Anthropic's latest model, and it is built for real work. We're talking deep reasoning, long context handling, clean structured outputs, strong instruction following. This thing doesn't just give you a wall of text, it gives you organized, usable content, headings, bullet points, examples, insights. It's like having a senior content strategist on your team who never sleeps. So here's what you do first. You open Claude and you give it a prompt like this. Let's say we want to build a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. You type something like this: you are an expert researcher and content strategist. Topic is AI automation for business growth. Research this topic thoroughly. Create a detailed outline with sections, key points, examples, and real-world insights. The output should be usable as a resource for creating landing page content for the AI Profit Boardroom, an AI automation community that helps businesses use AI to get more customers, more leads, and more traffic. And what does Claude do? It gives you everything: market trends, pain points business owners face, benefits of AI automation, real examples of how automation saves time, structured sections you can actually use. This is not fluff. This is a full research document, and it takes about 30 seconds. Now here's where it gets really interesting. This is where most people stop. They take that output and they try to turn it into something themselves, but we're not most people. We're going to use tool number 2, Notebook LM by Google. This tool has quietly become one of the most underrated AI tools out there, and it just got a huge update. You can now create customizable slide decks inside Notebook LM. That means you can take research and turn it into a full presentation automatically, pick your audience level, adjust the tone, generate a clean visual outline, ready for export. This is not just a summarizer anymore. This is a research assistant plus editor plus presentation builder all in one. So what do? We take everything Claude just gave us and we paste it straight into Notebook LM. Now Notebook LM does its thing. It refines the content, it removes the fluff, it clarifies the messaging, it restructures everything for clarity, and it pulls out the key points. So now instead of a big research document, you've got clean type messaging that actually makes sense for a landing page or a pitch deck. But wait, here's the part that blew my mind. You can ask Notebook LM to do something really clever. You ask it to create a prompt. Yes, you read that right. You ask the AI to write a prompt for another AI. So you type something like this: based on this refined resource, create a high converting landing page prompt for Claude. Include a headline, a sub-headline, benefits of joining the AI Profit Boardroom, key features of the community, a strong call to action, and social proof elements. Make it focused on helping business owners use AI automation to get more customers and grow faster. And Notebook LM gives you a perfect prompt, tailored to your exact content, built from refined research, not some generic template you found online. This is a custom prompt built from real data. Now back to the workflow. You take that prompt that Notebook LM just created, you go back to Claude Sonet 4.6, you paste it in, and what happens next is kind of wild. Claude takes that refined prompt and builds you a complete landing page. We're talking a headline that grabs attention, a sub-headline that explains the value, a full benefits section showing why AI automation matters, feature breakdowns of what the AI Profit Boardroom actually offers, a strong call to action, everything structured, everything clean, everything ready to use. And here's what makes Claude Sonet 4.6 so good at this. It follows instructions precisely. It doesn't go off track. The formatting is clean. The copy is structured. And because the prompt was built from refined research, the output is way better than if you just typed "build me a landing page" into any AI tool. Now you can take it even further. You can go back to Claude and say adjust the tone, make it more direct, make it more conversational, add more urgency, rewrite the call to action to be stronger. Claude handles all of that without losing the structure. You can tweak and refine until it's exactly what you want. Let me tell you why this workflow is so powerful. Most people use AI like a magic box. They throw in a vague prompt and hope for the best. But that's not how you get results. The secret is the pipeline. research first with Claude, refine second with Notebook LM, generate a smart prompt, third with Notebook LM, produce the final asset, fourth with Claude. That's 4 steps, and each step makes the next one better. The research feeds the refinement feeds the prompt feeds the final output. Every layer adds quality. And this doesn't just work for landing pages. You can use this exact same workflow for YouTube scripts, sales pages, course outlines, pitch decks, SEO content, client deliverables, anything where you need to go from research to a finished product fast. Think about it like this. If you're building content for the AI Profit Boardroom, you could use this workflow to create a landing page that explains exactly why business owners need AI automation. You could build a slide deck for a webinar. You could write a full sales page. You could create an entire content calendar, all from the same workflow, all in minutes. Claude gives you the brain. Notebook LM gives you the structure. Together, they create a production pipeline that replaces hours of research, editing, and writing. And the best part is you don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need to know how to code. You just need to follow the steps.